The YoLink Security Kit YS1603 is a comprehensive, do-it-yourself home security solution that includes essential components like a hub, motion sensor, door and window sensors, a siren alarm, and a smart fob. Thanks to its utilization of LoRa technology, this kit boasts an impressive wireless range of up to 1/4 of a mile, making it suitable for areas where typical Wi-Fi systems struggle. Integration with Alexa and Google Assistant allows for seamless voice control, enabling users to operate their security system with simple commands and include it in broader smart home routines. This kit is designed to protect your family and property, offering compatibility with a range of other YoLink smart devices such as plugs, switches, and various sensors. The system provides real-time notifications through push alerts, emails, and SMS messages, with optional virtual alarm monitoring services for enhanced security. With its user-friendly setup and versatile features, the YoLink Security Kit YS1603 offers an effective and adaptable solution for home security needs.